So the Bank of Canada made another announcement last week saying that they're not touching the overnight rate, i.e. the prime rate, i.e. the variable rate to mortgage consumers. And the outlook is, he said this for almost a year now, after he reduced rates by 150 basis points, so he's not going to touch rates until at least 23. And, the reason is pretty simple. There's a lot of businesses this overnight rate affects their cost of borrowing. Small businesses have been hit quite a bit. All businesses have been hit by the pandemic, but especially small business. And by raising that rate, you're going to put a lot of pressure on them. And obviously, when the pandemic's over, or most of us have been vaccinated, the economy's got to start to rebuild. It's going to be a slow rebuild. So, Bank of Canada is really determined to leave these rates low. We've had a rate increase on the fixed side quite a bit. The bond market's going up, which affects the fixed rates. We get people calling in, panicking. Don't panic. You can still take a variable rate in the 1.5% range, and it's a very viable option, especially when the Bank of Canada is already telling you have 2 years where he's not going to touch it. And just because he increases it, it could be a slow increase. It could take 4 years. It goes up 3/4 of a point. Well, you're still at 2.25%, which is essentially where 5-year fixed money is today. So, sit back, enjoy the low rate environment, look at the variable as an option, gives you more flexibility, but more importantly, it allows you to pay off your debt quicker while these rates are extremely historically low.